assume that rain is there. In our session, there are multiple people, multiple behaviors are there, multiple opinions are there about. So one person entered into the rain and dancing and happily dancing and then came out. How many of you belongs to this category? Next, do you know in my community, at that time, once the rain is coming, there are some kids are coming. Do you know? They are enjoying like anything in the rain. In the water, they are going to round like anything. Total body. Like they are enjoying. Not only small kids, even college students, even housewives, even I mean elder people only, almost 30, 40 years people also, they're enjoying in the rain. Like there are some people out there. Okay, assume my mother case only. My kid want to go and dance in the rain. My mother is going to stop. Hey, don't go. Don't go. If you are going in the rain, you may get sick, you may get fever, you may get cold. That's why don't go. Like now, have you observed? In these two persons' perspective, in their perspective, they are correct. In their perspective, they are correct. Because the reason is the person who is dancing, earlier also he danced multiple times. He danced multiple times earlier also. He enjoyed like anything. The previous experience makes this person, okay, what he is doing the correct. Yes, correct. But my mother case, my mother, yet her childhood, observe my words very carefully. My mother, at her childhood, almost around 60, 70 years before, one time she went to the farmland while coming raining, so full wet. That day she got cold and fever. From that day onwards, she won't enter into the rain. Now, so that's why she is telling to my kid also, Ray, don't go to the rain. You may get cold, you may get sick. Like so, in our perspective, is it the correct or not? Yes, friends.
Yes, sir, correct.
Obviously correct. So here the problem here is whatever opinions we have, whatever feelings we have. So these things are okay, are coming with several factors. Your parents, your income levels, especially financial kind of thing. Your parents, your income levels, your struggles, your opportunities, your failures, your fears, your luck, your life lessons. Like with all these things, your opinions are going to come. Your parents are different, the opposite person parents are different. Your opportunities are different, the opposite person opportunities are different. Your lifestyle is the different, opposite person's lifestyle is the different. That's why whatever, if opposite person doing something with respect to the money, which you won't like, you are feeling frustration, you are feeling that that person is not doing correct. No. Here, no one is crazy. No one is a mental person. Every person having their approaches, okay, their opinions, okay, in their perspective, those things are correct. Is it clear for you people?
Yes.
Okay. So don't compare with others. Don't compare with others. Don't compare with the other people financial situation.